rainbow. You're not a hidden mystery, nor a legend or a myth. You are not even a dream, but a real gift of heaven. You usually appear after heavy or slightly rain from a distant corner, from a bank of a river, where trees and plants grow on day, beneath a shallow water, that vast irrigated rice fields stood still, the temptation of a rainbow view. I gaze unto you, too close with you, touching your colorful arc bestow. Hesitate not, with my bare hands bravely, goes nothing to feel to. Not even tiny curves I realize, but an image of its wonderful beauty. Oh, come out, beautiful rainbow in the sky. Oh, beautiful colors of rainbow to my eyes. Not a dream, but really true. If others won't believe today, just trust me. To see is to believe. You disappear after embracing me. Oh rainbow, where shall you go? Oh rainbow, when shall we meet?
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.